Okay, this is the practical use of this little scent generating air device. First we start with the part that goes onto the high pressure. It's got a little cover that comes with it. You really always use the stopper to keep little piece of dust and dirt from getting into the device, since all of these things are very delicate. So you put it over the head, loosen it up to where it goes right over it, and then you tighten up. You tighten it up really good. Okay, and then you can let the air go into it like that. Now we got air coming into it. And we see that we have about 20,000 pounds of pressure on this tank. It's pretty well full. We haven't got anything coming out yet. So if I loosen this up a little bit, or tighten it, let's see, is it tighten it or loosen it? Oh, yeah. You push it in clockwise and you get a little bit of juice coming out of it. And you can hear it coming out of this. And this is where you get your bubbles. If we had some water, we could stick this in and you could see the bubbles coming up. Now, if you want just to have the one scent generator go out to the lake, then you pop this on your stinky stuff, and then a line goes out to the lake. If you want to have, see, this is still clean air. If you want to have a couple of lines that don't have any stink on them, and this is just a turn off, turn on thing, then you put it on a manifold. You can get these in 1 in and 2 out, 1 in and 3 out, 1 in and 4 out. You just buy whatever you think you're going to need. We just bought probably too much, but this is so that we don't have to change our settings here. We can just turn it off in between dogs. So that's your turn on thing if you're using the manifold. If not, then you just put it on there, and if you want to turn it off, you just loosen this thing to where this goes back down to 0, and it's off. So it's very easy to use. It helps to have a bucket of water so you can see how many bubbles are coming out before you put it into the line and let it go out to the lake. That's all I got.